Grandpa and Thomas and the Green Umbrella by Pamela Allen. Grandpa and Thomas go to the beach. The gulls are screeching and the sea is singing. The sun is hot. Grandpa and Thomas spread out the big picnic rug and put up the green umbrella. Thomas wears his hat. Grandpa does too. "You'll need sunscreen," says Grandpa. "You'll need some too," says Thomas. Grandpa builds a car. Thomas does too. "Boom, boom, boom," goes Thomas. Grandpa goes in the water. Thomas does too. "Look, Grandpa," cries Thomas. "I can swim." Grandpa draws in the sand. Thomas does too. "See? Thomas," says Grandpa. Grandpa throws a stick way out to the sea. Thomas does too. "Oh God," says Thomas. Thomas slides down the sandhill. Grandpa does too. "Ooh," cries Grandpa. "Hungry?" asks Grandpa. "Mm-mm," says Thomas. "I am too," says Grandpa. The sun is going. Grandpa shivers. "I'm getting dressed," says Grandpa. "I am too," says Thomas. Now the sun has gone and the wind is blowing. Suddenly the green umbrella flies bowling and bobbing away. "Catch it!" cries Thomas. Grandpa runs fast. Thomas does too. "Got it!" gasps Grandpa. Grandpa is puffing and panting. Thomas is too. "Hurry! It's going to rain!" cries Grandpa. Then the rain comes. "Time to go!" bellows Grandpa, grabbing up their things. "Quick!" says Thomas. "Get in the car!" Thomas climbs in. Grandpa does too. It is cold. The sky is black. The wind is blowing. The gulls are screeching and the rain is falling. "I'll drive," says Thomas. "Boom, boom, 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 boom." And he does. "Boom, boom, 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 boom." Until the rain stops and the wind drops. Thomas climbs out of the car. Grandpa does too. Thomas folds up the big picnic rug. Grandpa takes down the green umbrella. "I am warm and dry," says Thomas. "I am too," says Grandpa. The end.